Okay, here's how you can prepare your carbon fibre mat. So you can cut it. If you just cut the carbon fibre mat, it all falls apart. So whenever you cut it, you've got insulation tape or masking tape on it. But when you cut out the shapes for your boomerang arms, one method you can use is frisk tape. Another method is PVA, very weak PVA glue and water with a single ply of toilet tissue, just a single ply, okay? And then you just wet it all out. The PVA solution in here is just 1 part in 20. Too much and you won't be able to release the paper. Too little and the paper won't stick. Film again. One of the things you get is, as you wet it out, the tissue paper expands and gets longer, which makes bubbles. So what you can do is you can burst those bubbles with a sharp point, and then you can roll the tissue flat on using a fat pen or a pencil
marker,
so the bubbles are all flattened down. You see those bubbles coming out there? Isn't that sharp on the film? I'm only doing a small bit here, and the bubbles of air. Okay, so once the tissue paper's on it, hang it up to dry. This is only a very small bit. You can do meters at a time.
Yeah.
Don't leave it to dry on a wooden table, because it will stick to the wood and you'll be very unpopular. Let's see.
I'm out.
When it's finished, you end up with, well, here's some for making MTA wind sailors, but when it's finished you end up with dry tissue paper loosely stuck to the carbon. When that's got the epoxy resin on, that just lifts off, so that's fine. And of course you can draw around your shapes on that, no problem.
With a biro, can't use anything else.
Felt tip will do it. Fibre tip pen's best actually. Thank you, Jake. When it's dry, you just draw around the shape you want. There you go. And you just got to cut it out with a pair of scissors.